Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how I repurpose a sign and I turn it into a centerpiece with flowers. As you can see, I'm sanding down the sign to get rid of all the details and then I can create my own design. As you can see, it's the truck. I'm cutting off the piece on the top. Then I'm sanding down all the rough edges. And I'm going to add this beautiful pattern paper on top using Podge. You can also use white glue. Now I'm adding all the details using this pre-cut vinyl that I have already pre-cut with my Cricut. You can also use cardstock for these details. As the last touch, I'm adding this terracotta pot. I'm going to add the flowers and also these wood sticks to give it a little bit more stability. I'm adding them with E6000 and this is the final result. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.